Automotive Test Kit is TCAA measurement compliant and makes benchmarking different infotainment systems simple and efficient. Instead of sourcing and integrating components from multiple vendors, everything you need for automotive acoustic testing is included in one rugged, portable package, except the laptop and software. The kit is designed for fast setup, reliable measurements, and easy transport between vehicles and test locations. In this rugged travel case, we have our Halo 6 microphone array, a microphone stand, 6 SEM microphones, rated 6 mic cable, and an optional Bluetooth interface. Underneath we have our newest Audio Connect 6x2 audio interface. This audio interface is specifically designed for automotive measurements and accommodates 6 analog input channels for microphones or accelerometers. Let's look at how we configure it and how easy it is to set up. First, we'll connect the 6 microphones to our braided mic cable. Now we'll clip them into the array. They snap in so you know they are correctly positioned, and you can adjust the height to meet the TCAA guidelines or your own specs. The array positions are numbered according to the TCAA guidelines, so make sure that the numbers on the cables align with the numbers marked on the array. Let's place the stand in the driver's seat, and now we can adjust the angle of the mount to the recommended 30 degrees using this bubble level here, and also adjust the height. Because we have the level on the mount, it ensures the angle is correct regardless of any seat slope. And if you want a different angle, that's easy. It rotates to any angle right up to the vertical orientation. Next, we'll connect up the audio interface. I like to keep this in the car, but if you prefer it outside, we also have a longer cable option. It's powered via USB-C from the laptop and can also operate off of AC power. Now I'll connect the microphones using the microdot to BNC adapters. Again, taking care to align the cable numbers with my input numbers. This way I know input 1 is microphone position 1, and so on. Now I'll connect up my Bluetooth interface. This wirelessly transmits the test signal from the laptop to the car's head unit to play it out of the speakers. This is also USB-C controlled and powered. The audio is transmitted via SPDIF, so we just need to plug into USB power, either the car or the laptop, and connect it to the SPDIF output of the audio interface. Finally, I'll open up SoundCheck. The Audio Connect 6x2 is fully plug and play. Once you connect it to SoundCheck, the software reads the calibration file from hardware and automatically configures it. If we now open the calibration table in the software, you can see that the VP values are all populated. Now we have the hardware all set up. There's one USB cable from the laptop to the audio interface, which you can pass under the door or through a crack in the window. All you need to do now is calibrate your signal paths by linking the calibration files supplied with your microphones, and you are ready to test. And perhaps the best part, this complete kit, including the rugged carrying case, cost around $10,000. That's less than the price of many 6 microphone arrays alone, making it one of the most cost-effective ways to perform TCAA-compliant automotive measurements. Just add the SoundCheck software for a complete automotive test package.